The experts in O-rings, elastomers, and urethane solutions just launched their 3D O-ring library. Now you can find and download detailed 3D CAD models right from the Precix website. From the homepage, go to 3D Catalog. Hover over your product type and select if you want to work in metrics or inches. On the left, select the standard product number you want to start with, and then use the drop-down options to configure the product to meet your design specs. Meanwhile, the product number updates to match your selection. On the right, you see an interactive 3D preview of the product, which you can rotate and zoom within the 3D viewer to see critical dimensions and up-close details. If you need further customizations, the 3D Catalog offers that too. Simply adjust within the 3D preview, or select a custom O-ring. Here, you can set the exact inner diameter, cross-section, and more. Again, the 3D Catalog generates an exact part number and 3D preview of the product you configured. When you're happy with the product, click Download CAD, and then click Add Formats. Here you can browse from over 100 file formats and versions, so you get a file that works in your CAD software. You can also choose a file format by category, or by typing the name of the CAD system into the search bar. Next, click Start Generation, and your CAD model will be ready to download within seconds. You can also generate a 3D PDF datasheet. These files include an interactive 3D viewer, product specs, standard features, and technical drawings. This is great for those who need to access the product information but don't need a large CAD file. For more O-rings and related components, go to Precix.net and visit PartSolutions.com to learn more about online solutions for industrial manufacturers.